Okay guys, welcome back. Let's go to writing our code. We first go to Scikit-Learn, and then go to sites and wait a little. I just copied two things for you. Okay, we copy them and linear regression. Okay, put it here. Wait for Scikit-Learn to open. Let's see what we have. We have a data. Let me make it wider. We have a data of the date and the price of oil, and it's from 1988 to 2023. This is the pricing data of oil, and we have it as a CSV format. What we want to do is this. Let me scatter this in Excel for you. Insert, recommended chart. This is a good chart. Okay. By that we see, what we see here, we see that in June 20, we have some problem. What is that problem? June 20. As you might guess, some data is not right. Let's go to June 20. There is a lots of data, and I give it my all to collect this data. I collect this data with an spider from the internet. June 20. Let's see what price is wrong. I don't find it, but one of the prices is low, and it's wrong probably, but don't problem. One thing, nothing, change anything. This price is wrong, but I don't really care. Okay, what we want to do, we want to put a regression line for this. You maybe ask, what is regression line is? When we put regression line, the regression line, what it do, it's predict the price in the future. How? Let's see. If I don't forget, the Excel has the regression itself. I forget where is it. Okay, it's not a problem. Move chart, no. Format, no. Design chart, no. Insert, no. Maps, no. Okay, let's save this. Save this as a Excel, so we can work on it. Close it and open the Excel file. I think this is the Excel one. Okay, this is the Excel one. It has more options. Let's see. Format, I think we must format. Here, chart option, horizontal, plot area. Let's go there. No line. Okay, it's don't give up the access. We just go and search how to add regression line in Excel. That's really easy. I forget the place just. We can short this by highlighting the data and charting it as a scatter plot to add a regression line. Choose add chart element. Okay, let's go to this site. Accept all. This site is sucks. Let's go to another one. This Excel is too old. It didn't give us. Oh, it's right. It give us, but how to do linear regression? No, they are just too old. Okay, for now, I shall remember where to do it, but let's delete this and put a. Okay, and then insert a chart, recommended chart, and then go as a scatter. This is a scatter chart, and then a style color. No, it's not here. Legend trend lines, linear. More options. We find this. We find the scatter one. Okay, let me just larger this chart. This is what I'm talking about. You see, this is the trend line that we want to create and see the price where to go. Okay, let's go to Scikit-Learn and go to regression. Wait a little. Until then, let me make this chart, make this a better chart. Okay, insert recommended chart, a better one, and then trend line, linear. You can better see the trend line. The trend line is a line for predicting where the price go. You can see it very well. We want to create this trend line in Python. Our first regression project started now. As you can see, this site documentary is a very good documentary, and you can use it like multitask, and it have many things, and you can't maybe read all of it, or you lost your way in reading. But all we know now is rigid regression and classification. Linear model. It gave us a little theory about what it's doing, and then it's write our code. Okay, in the next lesson we read a little about the theory and then do the regression.